day due to poaching and deforestation. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, do your part for conservation. Mr. and Mrs. Son, you've done very well. Time for you to go back home. That way. Bye-bye. Our Toko Chickens. Now birds gather food for their young when they are nesting, and this morning we're going to have a little competition to see who is the faster food collector. Coming over my right, I've got Azza, and Azza has Berry, a green-winged macaw, and on my left I have Alex, and Alex has Cocky, a scarlet macaw. These two birds, they need supporters. People from the center all the way to my right, you show your support for Berry. When the match starts, I need you to clap your hands and you go, Berry, Berry. People from the center all the way to my left, you show your support for Cocky. You do the same thing, but you be louder, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Stop! Very good. Birds to the table. Now with me here, I have a huge tree trunk. And both birds will have 4 fruits on each side. Now remember, supporters, to cheer for your birds. Birds ready and go! Yes, very close. What do you want? One more. Do you want one more match? The no is louder than the yes. Do you want one more match? Much better. Birds back to the table. Okay, 4 more fruits on each side. Now remember, Berry supporters, to cheer much louder. Birds ready and go! Berry, it's okay.
Last challenge.
In this show, all our birds are winners. Give them both a big round of applause. Thank you, Berry. Thank you, Cocky. Now this morning, I've got something to give away. It's a coupon, to be more precise, and with this coupon, it will entitle you to a free drink. Anyone would like a free drink this morning? All the way up there, sir, the one with the black t-shirt. I need to stand up on your bench.